everybody? It's Catfish back with another video. And on today's video, I'm back over at my buddy, fellow YouTuber Alpina Alex, and I'm doing a paint correction and ceramic coating on his 2016 Alpina B6. Again, it's been about a year since I did it the first time, but we got a show coming up on the 12th this month. We will be at the World of Wheels, the Tuna Galleria part at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center in Rosemont. It's going to be myself, Alpina Alex, Swole 55, Sublime GT, Ace Rolling, and 5.2 Stang Gang. We're going to have 6 cars in the show. So if you guys are in that area during that time, come on through. Check us out upstairs. We'll be in the upstairs hall, which is the Tuna Galleria. The downstairs hall is where the World of Wheels is going to be. The World of Wheels is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the 11th, the 12th, and the 13th of March. And the Tuna Galleria is only on the 12th from 12 o'clock to 10 p.m. So if you want to check us all out, we'll be up there. So yeah, guys, I'm back over here. I'm getting the car together. I'm getting the car together for the show. So I just got through paint correcting it. So I'm gonna give y'all a little quick walk around so y'all can see it. Yep, I did the headlights. Y'all see it shining. I haven't put the ceramic on it yet. I'm gonna let y'all see it now. It was a big scratch right here where he stood on the doggone car on New Year's Eve and took a picture. But you see, the scratch is gone now. It's a pretty good scratch. So I'm just give you a quick walk around. I'm gonna put the ceramic on it, and then when I put the ceramic on it, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. So if you haven't already, go follow my main man right there on YouTube, Alpina Alex. It's a beautiful Alpina B6. If y'all ain't seen one, this is one. Yes, sir. Yeah, the paint correction's done. Now I gotta put the ceramic coating on it and then take that off. And I still gotta clean the engine compartment too. I haven't cleaned it yet. I'm gonna pop the hood right now. Y'all see the inside. Hey, you got stars in the ceiling too, guys. Y'all go back to my other video when me and PIMPINTV did this car. I gotta see how dirty the engine compartment is. I haven't even looked yet. I'm looking right now with y'all. Let me see. Oh, it ain't too bad. I'm just gonna freshen it up. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna freshen it up a little bit. It's not really that bad, but I'm gonna freshen it up a little bit before I get done with it. But yeah. But yeah, this is it. Y'all see the Alpina down there. I'm gonna put the ceramic on it, and I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. And just like that, we back, guys. Y'all see the ceramic on the car. Y'all know I use a ceramic polish. Yep, so y'all see it. Windows, mirrors. The top is like a black, gloss black. I wet sanded and buffed that out too. It had some spots on it. Y'all see it. Yeah, the ceramic is already on it all the way around. Y'all see it on the windows, on the whole car. Oh, I missed a spot right there. Let me go get it. Let me go get this spot I missed. Walking around showing y'all, and I seen the spot that I missed. I missed the whole panel right here. Yep, I see it. I missed the whole doggone panel, man. What the freak? Yeah. So yeah. That's it. It's on here. Gotta wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off. And in case you guys want to know, I always tell you what I use. This is what I use to buff it with, to paint correct it. I wet sanded some scratches, and this is what I use: 3M Perfected Rubbing Compound #1. That's what I use to buff it with. And I use the green pad. This is the pad right here. A green waffle pad, they call it. That's the pad I use. It's it's called a light cut pad. That's what I use. And this is the sandpaper right here. Y'all see that? 2500. And I also got some 1500 in here. Let me see, can I find it? This is it's 25 too, but I got some 1500. But that's what I use, a combination of both, to wet sand some scratches. Like I said, it was a big scratch right in this area right there. Is gone now. So yep, like I said, it's on there now. I gotta let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna buff it off. And I'll let y'all see it when I get done with it. And I'll be right back. All right, guys, we back. Ceramics off. And now here's the walk around. Look at that boy gleaming. Yeah, Sirski. Yep, I actually wet sanded and buffed. That's a flat black top. Wet sanded and buffed that too with 1500. And like I say, follow my guy Alpina Alex on YouTube. Yeah, she's done. 2016 Alpina B6. Got the duals right there. Double duals in the back. Yep, it's done. Came out beautiful too. I ain't gonna lie. Came out nice. Guys, if you go somewhere and get your car done, watch this microfiber. Y'all see that microfiber? If that microfiber don't do that, they didn't do your car. I'm telling you, they didn't. If the microfiber don't do this right here, watch this microfiber go scooting. You see it? It's gonna scoot. I'm gonna lay it flat. It's gonna scoot all the way. See that? If it don't do that, if it sticks, they didn't. Whoever detailed your car didn't do what they said it was gonna. Look at that. Y'all see that? Watch this microfiber. Whoop! Keeps on going. Yep. So like I said, all I gotta do now is clean the engine compartment, and then I'll be done. Yep. So all I gotta do. It's not really that bad. I'm just gonna freshen it up. In case y'all want to see the inside. Yep, this the inside. Y'all see that? Y'all see that 200? Can y'all see that 200 on the dash? Now you can see it. Yeah, Sirski, twin turbo, 600 horsepower, guys. Yep. Y'all see the lighted door seals? Soft closing doors. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Even got lighted door seals in the back. Same thing. Yep. Grand Coupe. Y'all see that Grand Coupe right there? Grand Coupe. Yep. Y'all see it. Boop. All right, guys. There you have it. It's a little walk around of ceramic coating and paint correction on a 2016 Alpina B6. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.